When time gets rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can go on. Be strong, hold on. For my love will keep you warm through the coldest nights, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their back on you and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there whether you're being when the road seems so long and endless, and all you say is nothing but darkness. Don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will stay true when you reach for the stars, when you cross the deep sea, when you climb the iron hill. My love will always be with you in everything you do, and every step you take, and every road you take. Don't be afraid.